So I like the OEM wrinkle red finish on the valve cover, but this one needed some refreshing. I'm using this paint remover that strips it down to the bare metal. I had to do it twice because I didn't lay it on thick enough the first time. So here's a tip, lay it on really thick, and then I heard covering the entire thing with a plastic box will help bubble up the paint even better. Here we are with all the paint removed. I'm going to start with 600 grit sandpaper, get all this oxidation off. It appears I lost a couple video clips of the 800 grit and then 1500 grit. So here's 1000 and 2000. Lastly, when we hit it with a 3000 grit, you're going to go in a circular motion. At this point, we've got it all dried up, and we're going to lay on some Gyeon metal polish. And this was my first time polishing anything like this, so I went kind of easy in the beginning, but turns out I could have used a lot more of the Gyeon metal polish compound and had the drill setting on more torque. So I'm installing new grommets here because the ones I had, I forgot to take off before I applied the paint remover, so they bubbled up. We have a brand new OEM valve cover gasket. We're going to dab some Honda Bond on just the corners. Here's the sequence and also the torque specs for the valve cover. Make sure you put your coil packs in the correct order. Connect your ground. And that's it. It could have turned out better, but this was my first time polishing anything like this. And this motor's getting pulled out soon for the K24 swap, so it looks good enough for listing photos. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. I've got the GT wing and carbon fiber hood coming in the next 2 to 3 weeks, so there's going to be some cool content on that.